On April 30th, 2025, in Tuskegee, Alabama, a kangaroo named Sheila escaped from her enclosure and started hopping along Interstate 85. People were shocked and confused to see a kangaroo in the middle of a busy highway. Some drivers slowed down, while others stopped completely to make sure the animal would not get hurt. Police and animal control officers quickly arrived. They temporarily closed the highway to protect both the kangaroo and the public. After some effort, Sheila was safely captured using a tranquilizer dart. She was then taken back to her home without any injury. This strange and unexpected event teaches us life can bring surprises at any moment. But how we respond, with care and calmness, can turn a stressful situation into a safe and positive outcome. When we take care of animals, we must do so with full responsibility. Every living being deserves safety and kindness.